Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I would like to speak with the EU authorities as well as Pakistani authorities, such as I would like to send this video message to the European Court of Justice, Strasbourg, France, at their mailing address, email address, and I would like to send the Embassy of Hungary, Islamabad, Pakistan, as well as concerned authorities of Pakistan. I'm waiting for their kind assistance, kindly provide in these regards in my matter. I would like to explain to the international or European authorities that I'm stuck in Pakistan since 7 years. I'm an overseas Pakistani. I have children in Europe. I have my house over there, my children's house. You may say that because I was here and they bought it on my wife bought it on my kid's name, whatever was my instructions. The whole thing is that I'm victim of brutality in Pakistan. I would like to mention to the EU authorities that I am father of EU national childs, unnecessary, unwillingly. I am staying in Pakistan without my hope, without my choice. The reason why I am here, I would like to let you know that why I came here. First of all, I will start from here. I came here for my mom operation in 2014. For 1 month, I thought that after 15 days or 1 month, I will move back to Europe. But it couldn't happen. Now, since 7 years, I'm stuck here. Do you know that why I'm stuck here? Because of the judicial, or you may say, national failures of Pakistan. I got the fake civil judicial case against my property. There was no any reason for that. The fake judicial trial started against me. It is created in the boundary of our judiciary in District City Court, Karachi, Pakistan. So what is happening over here? That first of all, we sell out the past dated stamp papers in our courts. And after that, the land mafias or land grabbers in Pakistan, as you know that there are so many stories, especially in Karachi, in Pakistan, about Supreme Court, and other news are available for that as well. So what they are doing, land mafias and other people, how they are utilizing the laws over here. They buy the stamp paper in our courts because there are so many vendors over there. There are also a police station in City Court, Karachi as well. Can you imagine that a crime is happening in the boundary of the court? Which is the most important thing for me, as well as my concern, because I lived in Europe, and whatever I used to see, there was a different atmosphere. But what kind of atmosphere we have over here, I don't know. And because of that atmosphere, can you believe that my life is in danger? I don't know what should I do over here. Since 7 years, I have one child in Europe who is a special need child, who is epilepsy patient. In Pakistan, basically, we are facing this kind of, not we, people are facing that. Since 1947 to date is that few black ships are sitting in our courts. They are selling past date stamp papers. After buy the stamp paper, people creates in favor to launch any civil suit or any kind of, they use in judicial matters as they used on me. I proved already. I have video recorded evidences against that. If you want to see that, please watch that and then I will come back again. Yes, so you saw that how a normal citizen of Pakistan may able to get justice, how the government of Pakistan may able to provide any kind of protocol to the overseas Pakistanis. I would like to ask Prime Minister Imran Khan that I have sent approximately 200 applications at Pakistan Citizen Portal directly to the Imran Khan, but why there is, I didn't get any kind of reply or any kind of positive reply. This nation is not working properly, in my understanding, because if people are working over here, then everyone can check it out, the Murree incident, that how many people already died over there. And no one came to rescue them. Even there was a police station very close to that incident. People was residing over there, very close. There was governmental offices over there. Same thing is here. My life is in danger because of judicial failures or national failures. I don't know what should I say for that. Because I am in Pakistan unnecessary, unwillingly. I would like to go back. Where is my home? Where is my children's residing? I came here only for operation as a guest. Now it is 7 years. I would like to inform to the Pakistani authorities and to the European authorities that kindly check it out in Pakistan. What are the judicial matters over here? There are so many corruption matters everywhere. We need to pay them out. Even I'm not able to understand that. Why this case is get registered? First of all, why this case is registered? This number, I'm going to tell you that 1856/2016 in District City Court, Karachi, Pakistan. There is no feet, no hat, without both things. What is our judicial criteria? If anybody can let me know that. And that is why I am here for 7 years here. What is the stupid things going on here? Is anybody from the EU authorities? I would like to ask. This is no, I do understand that this is not the EU matters. This is the Pakistani state matters, national failures. But why I am here? I am not given or saying that only EU countries are responsible, or any EU country is responsible for that. Everything, whatever is happening over here, I think it is Pakistani state responsibility first of all, and after that it is EU and Hungarian embassy responsibility to check it out, this matter, as quickly as possible on urgent basis. Because in last, I would like to mention that my life is in highly risk in Pakistan, and I have kids over there. I came here for 1 year, for 1 month or 15 days. The things are too bad in Pakistan. There is everywhere corruption, especially whenever you go to police, every department, even judiciary. In my understanding, even I am not able to get justice if I am not able to pay the money. There are so many bad experiences and unbelievable, shockable news I heard in past. About my late mother, I would like to let you know that she moved in 2017 in Canada, but she alive in 2019 due to Pakistani courts. Not due to Pakistani courts. There is a perfect courier in the judiciary, in the boundary of City Court, Karachi. That is the perfect work. I would like to apologize to the Pakistani government, because I'm not a lawyer, but I would like to mention that. I would like to mention one thing, that I'm very particular to prove you that you are wrong, and whatever is happening in Pakistan since 1947 to date is that how the people are selling the past date stamp papers in our courts. How many government already passed on? Who is responsible for that? Who will responsible of my 7 years or 5 years? Altogether, I would like to tell you that I'm 7 years, but 5 years just because of fake judicial trial, which is created in City Court, Karachi. There are so many stories about Pakistani judicial system. There are 22 millions or to 22 lakhs, I think, 22 lakhs, yeah. Cases are undergoing in Pakistani judicial system. How many are correct? Because as far as my concern, I totally understand that. And I would like to tell you that my case was not admissible in any court of the world. It is created because of this City Court, Karachi, because of there is a one company. there is one company called Perfect Courier. If you imagine that the owner of that company is a retired judge, and where is located that company? It's in City Court, Karachi. It's mean in the boundary of the judiciary, there is a city court of, there is in side of the judiciary, there is a one company called Perfect Courier, whose owner is a retired judge, and what they are doing, they are making alive people by their records. I paid them 8,000 rupees. They demanded 10,000, and they made alive after 2 years of my mom death. And what was happened? My mother was passed away in Canada in 2017, and in 2019, when I paid 8,000, they made alive. So I would like to tell you, this is why the case could able to register in our court, because in our court we are providing everything. First of all, when we are providing every weapon, then other side we are admitting those cases. So can you imagine that what will happen in Pakistan for normal citizen? It takes around 50 years to get out of from the judicial system. Who is responsible? Even I will die, but my generation will fight for that. I am ashamed on myself. I wouldn't say that on international, because I never explained to them, but today I am explaining to them, to the international, or especially my EU authorities, such as my Embassy of Hungary, European Court of Justice, and relevant Pakistani social media, and Pakistan Citizen Portal, if possible. I'm tired to send applications to the concerned Department of Pakistan. That's why I need to create this video message for international authorities such as EU, as far as I said already. In Pakistan, more I would like to mention in this statement. I don't think that anybody will come here to save me. I'm really tired here in 7 years. I just want to know, even I didn't ask justice. I didn't ask because of money, because of property, which is valuable property. The people are trying to taking exam of my patients since 7 years. What is my fault? What is my children's faults? What is my family fault? This fault is concerned by the state, in my understanding. So state should be responsible and should take appropriate action for that. That how comes it's not a normal citizen? It is a citizen and overseas Pakistani as well, who was sending remittance in Pakistan when I was in Europe. So I am ashamed on my Pakistani authorities that I mentioned to them so many times. I put up the application in City Court Karachi that look at here what is happening in the same court where you are sitting as well. They said that nobody can take action against any judge or against any lawyer even. I sent the applications to the Pakistan Citizen Portal, and they mentioned that they create false reports. I don't know what they are doing. There is huge bureaucratical issues. I don't know what my state want to do with the normal citizen of Pakistan. Even they don't care about the overseas Pakistani who was sending them remittance for a long time. Corruption, it is already fell down, deep fell down. It's dead after that. Not dead. It is alive, moving. Below the water and even on the earth as well. Everywhere. Even if I'm not, if I won't pay the money, I am not able to get justice in Pakistan. That is why I am here. That is why I am here, because you sell out stamp papers. 100 rupees stamp paper, you may buy 1,500 to 3,000 rupees. That's it. But I have property approximately 4 crore. It's almost 40 million, I think. I didn't calculate, but I just guess, I think, for around $40 million or 20 million, maybe. It's not a small amount for me. If I move, if I run away from here, it will go to the land mafia. Land mafia is paying the money to the judiciary, police, and the land mafia has no any kind of evidences, any single evidence. They don't have it. But the case is moving on since 2016 to date is. Even I would like to let to the international authorities and Pakistani authorities and the people of Pakistan that last month in December 23rd, there was coming a decree against my property that I must give to the opponent party. I need to deliver my house to them because of the court orders. Do you know that why it was happening? Because there is no any single evidence as far as my concern in the whole case. What happened? My lawyer was sold out. Opponent party paid a dollar or money, Pak rupees, pound, I don't know. I got the information that 5 days ago, before the hearing, because before the final decision, before the degree, which was going to be held on 23rd of December 2023, 2021. But after that, as I got the information by the media persons, and they stand for me and they change everything, I recognize that God, Allah, is with me. Because opponent party tried to buy everything, but it couldn't possible. But the main thing is that still the judgment is incomplete in our court. My life is in risk. So kindly, I need attention. I would like to mention to the entire authorities that I do not want to stay in Pakistan. As I told you, I came here as a guest and for the only operation for my mom, for my late mom. So kindly check it out, my matter. I'm giving you my cell phone number as well and my residential address 0315 my sorry 0092. It's a country code 35124111761. That's my WhatsApp number. My postal and residential address where I'm residing, and that is the Soot property, which is, my name is Roy Mohammed Shoaib, house number, Bangalore number B329, sector 35A, Gulshan Hali, Korangi 4, Korangi number 4, Karachi, Pakistan 74900, Pakistan. अल्लाह निगहबान, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाक फ़ौज जिंदाबाद। मेरी सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ ये दरख्वास्त है पाकिस्तानी अथॉरिटीज़ से कि मैं जो भी यहाँ पर हल्फिया तन मैं कलमा पढ़ के भी बोलने को तैयार हूँ कि जो कुछ मैं कह रहा हूँ वह सच कह रहा हूँ और सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कह रहा। लिहाजा इन तमाम चीज़ों को आप, पाकिस्तान का 12 साल का बच्चा भी जानता है कि यहाँ पर अदालतों के अंदर हम लोग किस तरीके से हमारा हर जगह पे बिहेव होता है। हम लोग फिज़िकली तौर पे काम करते नहीं हैं, रिपोर्टें बना के देना हमारी ब्यूरोक्रेसी का एक हिस्सा, एक वतीरा बन चुका है। खुदारा इन तमाम इश्यूज़ को चेक आउट करें और वो काम करें जो एक आम इंसान की फलाह व बहबूद से ताल्लुक़ रखता हो। एंड दैट्स ऑल। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाइंदाबाद, अल्लाह निगहबान, अल्लाह हाफिज़।